So that's the main thing. Trust yourself and you will be just unstoppable. Okay, just focus on your strengths here. Why you always worried about your limitations? You can overcome your limitations provided you have confidence in yourself, trust in your abilities. Okay, and always just remember that all toppers were once a beginner, were average or below average. And this is the terminology series which we are doing. Tumble terms, you know that lots of questions being asked from this particular topic. Just have a look into the questions, previous year's questions. Building Kalyana Mandapa was a notable feature in the temple construction in the kingdom of. Yes, that was a question asked in 2019. Then, with reference to the cultural history of India, the term Panchayadan refers to what? Another temple term, Panchayadan. That was a question in 2014. Nagara Dravida words were or are different styles of temple architecture. That was asked in 2012. So what I am saying is terminology, terms of ancient and medieval India, that's very, 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 very important for you. And this is temple terms, okay, or the terms related to temple architecture. We know that Nagara, Dravida, Varsara, these are the three styles of temple architecture. Nagara, Dravida, Varsara. Nagara, Dravida, Varsara, three major styles of temple architecture, okay, which evolved right from the beginning of this early medieval India. Now here, this geographical identity is very important for you. Lots of questions being asked based on this particular geographical identity of these temple architectures, okay. Now here, Nagara or Nagara style of temple architecture, yeah, it evolved in a particular region that is between Himalaya and Vindhyas. Himalaya and Vindhyas, that is Nagara style of temple architecture. Krishna Kaveri, you can identify in the map itself. Okay, Krishna Kaveri, that was, I mean, a particular style of temple architecture which evolved in a region between Krishna and Kaveri rivers, that is Dravida style of temple architecture. Dravida style of temple architecture. Now, this Varsara is, if Nagara is the papa and Dravida is the mummy, then Varsara is the son. That is the hybrid version. That is the fusion of this Nagara Dravida, which is the mixture of Nagara Dravida temple architecture features, which developed in a region between Vindhyas and Krishna river. Okay, so this idea you must have. Yes, Nagara, Dravida, Varsara styles of temple architecture. Each of them has its own salient features. Nagara, Dravida, Varsara has or have its own salient features that we cover in our art and culture session. Now, coming to this Nagara or Nagara style of temple architecture, what are the basic terminology or what are the main terms, temple terms related to this particular Nagara style of temple architecture? Okay, see, as it is shown in the image, Kauniya tower in Nagara style of temple architecture, the tower is always called Shigara. Shigara is always a Kauniya tower or a beehive shaped tower. Okay, so you see that Shigara is Kauniya tower. Shigara. Kalash means the topmost point of a tower in Nagara style is known as that topmost final point, that is Kalash. Amalaga, you see, Amalaga is the term. You can see on the top of the tower, under the Kalash, you can see there is a circular disc, a disc like a ribbed, yes, a disc with ribbed edges, you can see, that is known as Amalaga. Garbhagriha is the chief deity room. Okay, the chief deity of the temple is housed in this Garbhagriha. And over the Garbhagriha, tower is built. Over the Garbhagriha, tower is built. Okay, that is Garbhagriha. Andarala is the vestibular tunnel. I mean, between the Mandapa and this Garbhagriha, there is a small tunnel. That vestibular tunnel is known as Andarala. Another feature of Nagara style of temple architecture. Then pillared porch. That is entrance Mandapa, you know, Ardha Mandapa. That is pillared porch. Mandapa means multi-pillared assembly hall where the devotees stand and worship. Okay, Mandapa is the multi-pillared assembly hall. That is Mandapa. Upraised platform is Jagadi. Jagadi is the upraised platform. So these are some terms related to Nagara style of temple architecture. Yes, Shigara is that is the Kauniya tower. Kalash is the topmost final point of the tower. Then Amalaga is that particular disc-like object you see with ribbed edges. That is Amalaga. Garbhagriha is the chief deity room, or the room in which the chief deity is housed. Okay. Andrala is the vestibular tunnel between Garbhagriha and main mandapa. Now, upraised platform is Jagadi. Then pillared porch is that is Ardha Mandapa. Mandapa is the main hall, assembly hall, multi-pillared assembly hall. So these are basic features of this Nagara style of temple architecture. Panchayadan style is definitely the main shrine is surrounded by four subsidiary shrines. As it is shown in the image. Main tower is surrounded by four subsidiary. Main shrine is surrounded by four subsidiary shrines. That style is Panchayadan style. Main shrine surrounded by four subsidiary shrines. That is Panchayadan style. Okay, that is also a feature of this Nagara style of temple architecture. Kendriya Mahadev temple, Lingaraja temple, Arasavalli temple, all these temples have Panchayadan style. Now is your chance. Just answer this question. With reference to the Nagara style of temple architecture, Indian temple architecture, Amalaga refers to what? With reference to Nagara or Nagara style of temple architecture, North Indian style. Dravida is South Indian style. Varsara is Deccani style. Amalaga refers to what? Semicircular dome on Garbhagriha, ribbed lenticular globoid part crowning the top of the shigara, semicircular hall in front of the temple, ornamental pot design decorating the shigara. So, of course, here the best apt description here is ribbed lenticular or globoid part crowning the top of the shigara. That is the apt description for Amalaga in the Nagara temple architecture contest. Okay. So, Bombay makes your answer. And so, this is the way we have Dravida style of temple architecture, Varsara style of temple architecture, many regional schools of temple architecture.